Solve the following absolute value inequality. We have an absolute value inequality and we need to solve. Now remember that whenever you have an absolute value, we have two solutions. First, let's decide if it's going to be an AND or an OR. ANDs will be connected, ORs will be going away from each other. If it's less than, it's going to be an AND, and notice that it forms the word LAND, so that's one easy to remember. Which one forms L? This one forms L, so that's AND. If it's greater than, it's going to be an OR. In this case, this is less than, so this is an AND. So I know automatically the letter B in this is not my answer. Let me go and set up my inequalities. The first one will remain the same. X plus 8 is less than 4. Or the second one will be the opposite. And that's an AND. The second one will be the opposite. So I say X, that'll be a negative X. That's an 8, that'll be a negative 8. Is less than 4. And I'm just going to solve each one separately. Move the 8 to the right, becomes a negative 8. X is less than negative 4. Move the 8 to the right, becomes a positive 8. That gives me a negative X is less than 12. To leave the X by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 1. That cancels, so X and negative 12. Don't forget that whenever you divide by a negative number, we need to flip the inequality. So let's see, X is less than negative 4, so that one's fine. And notice that on this one says X is greater than negative 4, so A is incorrect. When you choose the second one, X is greater than negative 12, you have to read it backwards. X is greater than negative 12, letter C. Or you can rewrite it. X in the middle, smaller number on the left, which is negative 12, smaller, bigger number on the right. X is less than negative 4, and alligator is in the X, or just think about reading it backwards. X is greater than negative 12. Either way, your answer is letter C.